Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to design any 3 letters logo in Polygon shape. At first take vertical line, copy the line, then make total 12 lines by pressing Ctrl D. Now select all, go to transform, then rotate 120 degree and click copy. Select again, then from transform make reflect. Now add a polygon with another color for understanding the shape area. Now select all, select Shape Builder tool and make 3 parts of polygon. For 3 letters, as I am doing, 3 parts are ready. You can make any 3 letters that you want. As example, I am creating MSG letters. Now, with Shape Builder tool, make the letters. First one M, second one S, then G. Now select a color and fill with color. Now delete the extra lines. Add some stock, then object and expand. Unite all of them. Now add a polygon, align with letters. Select them and make exclude. Fill with color. Now add a shadow with gradient tools. Logo is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support for more tutorial like this.